Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad to have you here in my channel today, where you will enjoy watching me making different and beautiful DIYs for home decoration. In today's video, I am going to be a part of What Month Is It collaboration, hosted by Tammy from Tammy Happiness Created, and we have two co-hosts this month, San from Sans Art and Mary from MB Gray Designs. The special guest for this month is Lisa Mary from Crafting My Best Life with Lisa Mary. You can check out these beautiful ladies' channels listed in the description box below, and there is also a playlist links where you will enjoy watching these crafters making amazing DIYs for this month. It's the best place where you will enjoy watching these amazing crafters making adorable DIYs for decoration. Promise we will get a bunch of inspiration. The most part of this challenge is to create some fun and different DIYs for decoration related to this month, related to May, like flowers, colors, trees. So let's go jump to our DIYs and let's see what we are making today. For the first DIY, I have been using this beautiful and floral scrapbook paper, and I need this frame that I got from Dollar Tree, 4 paint sticks to make a frame, and 5 craft sticks. I line them up. I want to make a floral pot. These 5 sticks, I want to make 5 sticks same width and different length. So I cut each one or 4 of them in the middle part of it, so to make them line up from big to small to make these floral pots. As you see, I'm cutting in the middle. I want to use this beautiful napkin. I really want to use it for this project. Maybe I can use craft paper too, but this napkin, I really want to use it. So I'm gluing them with this wood glue that I got from Dollar Tree. Each part that I cut, then I align them from big to small sticks. I paint them with white chalk paint. I apply some Mod Podge on this napkin to line up those sticks from big to small to cover the sticks with this napkin. I cut, as you see, with the scissors, line them, and I dry the Mod Podge that I put on the top of each sticks. Send them out. And now with this ink pad, I just dab a little bit on all around the stick, each stick. I want to add some black paint around. Maybe I can use a marker, but this with ink pad is better. And I am using these tumbling blocks. I need 6. I paint them white, then I line them as 3 lines to glue these 5 sticks on top of these blocks. And voila, look, it looks like floral pots. Now I'm covering some parts of these lines with this 3D butterfly that I got from Dollar Tree. Now go to the frame and I'm removing this beach sign from this frame. I'm painting these 4 paint sticks with white chalk paint and distress it with the black paint, and just clean it with the wipes so make it distressed. Tracing this scrapbook paper to make it as background to this frame. Look at this floral pots, it's so cute. I glue it with the glue gun on the frame. Now I am arranging some floral and greenery. I have these roses and this lavender that I got from Dollar Tree, so I'm gluing them inside these floral pots. So cute. C'est beau, c'est beau. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. Now almost done, not yet. Look at this ribbon or a flower ribbon. I'm making a bow to match all this color together. This with some greenery on the top. Look at that. Wow. C'est très beau, c'est joli. What do you think, guys? Let me know your comment below. For me, I love it. Let's see your comment. For the second DIY, I am using a braided tree. So you can easily make a braided tree using this jute rope that I got from Dollar Tree. As you see, I have 3 strips of this jute with almost 22 inches long, and I secure them with this paint tape, the end of jute in place. Then I'm creating a braid and I tie the end of this braid. I created 9 braided jute, as you see. Again, with each 3 I'm making a braid. Then now I have 3 large braids to create the last braid. Funny. Last braid. And this is a tree. I'm making a tree. Look at that. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm cutting the excess and separating this jute to make like branches. Guys, I think to make it easy, I can use rope, then separate the thread of this rope like I'm doing now to make branches. Next time maybe. With the excess braid that I cut, I'm adding them to make more branches, branches. More. To make it look like a tree. Flowers and greenery, more details to my frame. So this flowers is wild flowers that I got from Dollar Tree. Some leaves. I'm adding green moss in the bottom, gluing with my hot glue. Press hard to make it flat. With this paper flower that I made with my crickets, I have rest from my previous video. Then to make a frame, I have these 2 paint sticks. I stain them. I'm gonna glue on the top, on the bottom. Also, I stained some half beads to add them to this frame. I am making a hanger with this rope, covered with this ribbon that has same color of wood, so to hide the back, and gluing everything with hot glue. And let's see the final look. Look. Oh, it's not amazing. I imagined this tree in my head and I made it. Wow. Next time I'm gonna try it with rope, like I said, not with this jute and so many braids. Look at that, so cute, so amazing, so beautiful. C'est beau, c'est très joli. What else? Let me see your comment. Let me know in your comment what you think, guys. If you like my project, let me know in your comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. See you soon and take care. Bye.